In this video, we're going to look at the stack class in Java. So this class is generic, as you can see, with these angled brackets. That means we can store any type of objects in this stack. We can store integers, characters, strings, custom objects, and so on. Also, this class is declared in java.util package, just like the other data structures you have seen so far. So let's create a stack of integers and call it stack. Now we're going to push 3 items into this stack. So we call stack.push, let's say 10, and then 20, and finally 30. Now let's print this on the console. It looks like we have an array, but this is just for presentation. Stacks behave differently from arrays. So here we have this pop method that will remove and return the item on top of the stack. So this item is the last item that is inserted, in this case, 30. So let's pop this and store it in a variable called top, and then print it on the console. There you go. So 30 is the item on the top. Now if we print the stack one more time, you can see that 30 is gone. There you go. Now we also have empty, which returns a Boolean value telling us if the stack is empty or not. We have peek, which returns the item on top of the stack without removing it. So we can peek the stack and store the result in this top variable, and then print it one more time on the console. So 20 is the item on top of the stack. So these are the standard operations performed on stacks. But in Java, this stack class also has a search method. This is not common because, as I told you earlier, stacks are really not meant for storing a list of objects and looking them up quickly. So you're almost never going to use this method. I personally have never searched for an item in a stack. So this is all about stacks. Next, we're going to look at one of the common interview questions around stacks.